Hello, let's talk about virtual wholesaling real estate today. So whether you're new to the concept or already exploring the real estate world, this guide will help you understand what it is, how to do it step by step, and how a virtual assistant can help you scale this business. First things first, what is virtual wholesaling? Simply put, it is the process of finding and securing real estate deals remotely without ever visiting the physical location. So you act as the middleman between the buyer and the seller and earn a profit by assigning a contract to the buyer at a higher price. Here are the 5 broad steps that people do to build this business. The first one is to research the market that they need to focus on. So you need to find the local areas where there is a lot of potential in real estate. Then the next one is creating a very solid network. This entire business model is heavily reliant on your network of buyers and sellers. So you need to be networking a lot. Then the next step is to analyze the property, look for repair costs, look for the market value for that property, and then secure the deal with the seller. And then the next step would be to find the buyer and negotiate the contract, go through the paperwork and close the deal. Of course, in this entire process, there's a lot of back-end work involved, a lot of lead generation, a lot of research, a lot of paperwork, and that is why you need a virtual assistant to scale this business efficiently. So now let's discuss the tasks that a virtual assistant can do to help you scale this business model. A virtual assistant can help you send outbound emails, respond to inbound leads and inquiries, and filter the buyers and the sellers that are coming to you. So you have only quality leads in your pipeline. Your virtual assistant can do market research, find out high demand areas, pull up property data, do the research on tools like Zillow, PropWorth, Deal Machine, etc. to save you hours and hours of time. Your VA can also help you with administrative tasks, including coordinating with the buyer and the seller, sending them pictures, making sure everything is in line and the process is going smooth, so you can focus more on closing these calls. Your virtual assistant can help you follow up with your leads and nurture a relationship with your clients, making sure that your business stays on top of everyone's mind. If you want to hire virtual assistants who are already trained and pre-vetted, all you need to do is go to vishup.co, fill in the form, and our team will get in touch with you.